So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we'll write 20 divided by 5 and 2 square. So 20 divided by 5 and square of 2 is 4. 20 divided by 5 times 4 is 20, which means 1. If you got your answer 1, this is totally wrong. 1 is not the correct answer because we have to follow the rule of PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay, remember multiplication and division both are having the same order, and similarly addition and subtracting are having the same order, means they are having the same priority. But if we have multiple multiplication and division both in the question, then we have to solve them from left to right. We have to solve them from left to right to get the correct answer. So let's solve this question again with the PEMDAS. It's 20 divides 5 into 10 divides 5 square. So what we have to do, we'll solve the parenthesis and then exponent. So we'll write this 20 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5 is 2 and there is 2 square. So it will become 20 divided by 5. We'll convert parenthesis into multiplication into 2 times 2 is 2 square 2 is 4. So what we have to do according to PEMDAS, we have to solve them from left to right. So we'll solve this first and this at the second place. So it will become 20 divided by 5 multiply 4. Now 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 4, which means 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 is our correct answer. Right? Always follow the rule of PEMDAS to solve these type of questions. Now if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share and stay connected for daily videos. Thanks for watching.